Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out your document created on the office.com website in the reading view. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website, select your template, and after creating and customizing your document, you should go to the top of the screen, and below the search bar you can find this view section, which is the seventh one, and then go to the left side of the screen and tap on the reading view button, and in a few seconds you will be able to check out your whole document in this reading view. As you can see it here, the whole background of the page has been updated to white, and if you want to, you can still edit your document by tapping on this edit document button. You can print it and share it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.